Good morning, students. In the last video, we learned how to form the numbers till 5 digits and how we are going to read that number in words, how we are going to write. And we also started the problem set number 2.1 and we did already the question number 1 and 2. Let's start the question number 3. As a part of the Avoid Plastic project, this is the project Avoid Plastic project, Jila Parisar schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka wise numbers of bags and write the numbers in words. Here we have a table. In that we have the first column taluka, Kopargaon, Sevgaon, Karjat, Sangamner. That is taluka given and the number of bags are given. That and the last one is empty column, the numbers in word. What we have to do, we are going to read these numbers and have to write in the words. Let's start. First one, Kopargaon. In the taluka Kopargaon, 12,740 number of bags are used. How we are going to read? Unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. As we learn 1,000 and 10,000 we learn together, unit and tens we learn together. So it will become 40 and it will become 12. So 12,740. We are going to write 12,740 Yes. The next one is second one is given Sevgaon. Again we have to start from unit. Unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 1,000 and 10,000 together we learn. So it will become 28. Unit and tens together it will become 95. At the place of 100 there is 0. So 28,000 at the place of 100 0. So we are not going to consider that. 28,095. So 28,000 and 95. Yes. The next one is given about Karjat. Again unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 1,000, 10,000 together will become 31,000. Unit 10, 08 will become 8 only. And 6 is at the 100 place. So 31,608. So 31,608. The last one is given Sangamner. About the Sangamner taluka, unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 1,000, 10,000 comes together will become 10,000. Unit and tens comes together will become 92. So 10,792. We have to write 10,792. So this way we have to read these numbers and retain the numbers in a word. Now let's proceed to the question number 4. How many rupees do they make? Means in the question number 4, if you have the maximum number of the currencies with us, so how we are going to count how many rupees we have? Let's see. In the sub question 1, 10 notes of 2,000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 40 notes of 10 rupees. So total how much rupees these all three currencies will make? How we are going to find? The first one we have to convert these currencies in the rupees. 10 notes of 2000 rupees is equal to, it will become, whenever we have such kind of things, number of notes and the value of notes should be multiplied together, we'll get 10 into 2000 is equal to 20,000. The next one is given 5 notes of 100 rupees. Write it. 5 notes of 100. It will become 5 into 100. Means 5 into 100, 500. Always start writing from the right hand side. So it will become 500. The next one is given 14 notes of 10 rupees. Write it. 14 notes of 10 means 14 into 10. 14 tens are 140. Means here we are going to do the addition between these 3. 0, 4, 0 plus 5, 5 plus 1, 6. This 20 as it is. Yes, so it will become 20,640. Means this all will become 20,640. So answer in the form, how many rupees they make? They make 20,640 rupees. Got it? Here we have the second sum. 7 notes of 2000 rupees. The same way, write it down. 7 notes of 2000 means 7 into 2000 is equal to 7 to 14,000. How much? 14,000. The next one is 12 notes of 100 rupees. Write it. 12 notes of 100. That means 12 into 100 is equal to 12 into 100. 12 1 is 12. 0 0 means 1200. The next one is 8 notes of 80 rupees. 8 notes of 10. 8 notes of 10. That means 8 into 10. It will become 80. In this we have one more and 5 coins of 1 rupees. 5 coins of 1. We can write rupee also as because it is singular. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Let's add these 4 unit. We are always starting from the unit place. 0 0 0 plus 5 5. 0 plus 0 plus 8. Then 0 2 2 1 plus 4 5 and 1 means 15,285. Write down the answers in the form they ask. They make 15,285 rupees. This way we can convert the given currencies into the rupees. Now proceed to the next question. That is question number 5. Write the biggest and smallest number. Biggest and smallest number using all the given digits in every number. Use each digits only once. We learn that how we are going to make the smallest and the biggest number. And the condition is given, we have to use one digit at one time only. So let's start. First count it. 1 2 3 4 5. We have the 5 digits. So the first one, smallest number is equal to, always whenever we are talking about the smallest number is in a ascending order. Yes, the smallest number digit in the given one is 0. But as we learn, if the 0 is to the left side of the digit, it don't have any value. So we have to write to the right. So 0, we cannot start from the 0. Yes, the next one is 3. After that we have to write 0. Then 4. Greater than 4, 5. Then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are written means 30,457 is the smallest number. Now this is time to the greatest number, that is biggest number. Biggest number is equal to. Now we are going to write in the descending order. So the biggest number digit in the given number 7, 5, 4, 3, 0. This time we can write 0 at the right side at the end. So you need 10, 100, 75,430. This way we can write smallest and the biggest number. The second one. Here we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. So can we write 6 digit? We can also write 6 digit smallest number. Yes. Again the smallest one 0, but we cannot start from 0. The next one is 2. 2. Now we can write 0. After 2 we have 4. Yes. After 4 we have 5. Then 6. Then 8. Unit 10, 100, comma. That means 2,04,568 is the smallest 6-digit number. The next one 6-digit biggest number. Reverse that in the descending order. Started from 8, 6, 5, 4. Now 2, then 0. Again unit 10, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma means we can say 8,65,420 is the biggest number. Next one is third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are given. We have to write smallest number. So smallest one, as I said, in an ascending order. So that is given. We don't have 0. We start from 1, 2, then 4, 6, 7. We are written these given digits in an ascending order. Unit 10, 100. Put the comma 12,467. Now biggest number is equal to. This will we have to reverse in descending order. 6, 7, 4, 2, 1, 76,421. The next one here we have 5, 9, 6, 1, 4, 3. Again smallest number is equal to, starting from the smallest one is 1, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Again unit 10, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, 1,34,569. The biggest number is equal to, reverse that in descending order. 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. So 9,65,431. Here also smallest number is equal to, here we have the smallest one 1, then 3, 4, 6, 9. So 13,469. Biggest number is equal to, reverse it, 9, 6, 4, 3, 1. 96,431. Here we have the last one, smallest number is equal to, here we have the smallest 2 times 0, but we have to start from the 2, 0, 0, 3, 5. So it will become 20,035. Biggest number is equal to, reverse it in descending order, 5, 3, now 0 doesn't come, 2, 0, 0. So it will become 53,200. In this way, by using the given digits, we can write the smallest number and biggest number. Now, you have the homework for today. The question number 1, problem set number 2.1, question number 6, you are going to do by yourself. The second, you have how many rupees do they make. Here we have one question, 4 notes of 2000 rupees, 6 notes of 100 rupees, 10 notes of 50 rupees. You are going to convert how many rupees do they make. The third one is write the biggest and the smallest number. What we did here, using all the given digits only once. 1 and 2 questions here we have. You have to solve these homeworks and submit it in the group on the Friday. Thank you.